Hi ladies, this is Krista and welcome to the Feminine Takeoff. We're starting with hair. I have a traditional sew-in with a leave out, so we're going to wash both my hair and the sewn-in extensions at the same time. I will be using the Neutrogena Hair Restore Shampoo and Conditioner. Let's move on to manicure as we listen to affirmations.
It's time for you to make your list about what you should do so that you can feel better.
Here with the Feminine Takeoff, we take off to better ourselves. And as I take off to better myself, I realize the best versions of me is well manicured. Hi ladies, my nails are completely off. The gel is off, that is. I'm just going to use a little acetone to dry the nail itself, just because I need the nail to be completely dry for when I apply the gel polish and the whole layers of polish on it. It's 100% acetone, and it also say that it's good for your nails. I'm not sure how true that is, but I use it because it dries the nail bed, especially because I wear so much oils and things. I need the nail to be completely dry before I start applying the layers of gel or any polish on it. Otherwise it will peel off or crack easily and things like that. So that's the secret that I've noticed so far on keeping a long manicure or pedicure, by just making sure your nails are completely dry. So I would use alcohol or acetone or anything that you have that's drying to the nail and its areas. We're gonna let it dry, and then we are gonna begin with the polishing process. So that's it. You can see how dry it already looks, but anyway, let's get started with the polishing. Also ladies, I took my towel off of my hair just because I want my hair to air dry. Especially I have extensions in, I have a sew-in in, but I need the hair to dry as much as I can before I start blow drying it or putting heat on the scalp. So while we're getting our nails done, the hair is going to be drying. So let's finish with the paint, shall we? I have so many videos of doing my own nails, but I always have my nails done the same way, classic French. If I deviate from it, I usually will get maybe a red, but usually it's classic French. But at home, what I'll be using today is the base coat, and then we're gonna go in with the pink color for the French, and then we are going to then go with the white for the French tip, and then we are going to finish it with the top coat. And so I also always use like 2 coats of this. So what I mean is I will put one layer on, let it dry, put another layer on, let it dry. Maybe I'll go in for a third one, but I usually don't go for third ones, just to make sure that it is pink enough, because I like it a certain way. I don't know if you can see, this one is like almost running out, but you can see, I don't know if you can see, it's like really lightweight. It's like a baby clear pink. So it's not as like pink, or it's more sheer than anything. So I think one coat makes it really natural. It almost looks like your natural nail, and then another pink on it just makes it look like that little doll look. So that's what I do love about it. So let's begin. I'm also just using my regular old, I've had this for like years, off of Amazon. I think I have it linked in my Amazon link in the description, but I just use this. It's the gel and UV light that cures your nails, and I absolutely love it. I think it's getting old, but it hasn't fully given up on me yet, so I'm gonna keep using it until it does. Okay ladies, we have my tea. And we are going to have some tea and just do our nails. If you've decided to self-care and self-maintain, then make sure you're doing it gently, because you should not feel forced or rushed to love and care for yourself. The world will try to rush you. Don't beat them to it by rushing yourself first. You deserve to calmly and peacefully cater to yourself. As you self-care, just remember, when you put the most effort into yourself, it becomes a universal standard across the board in your life. It is evident that you love you. That is a standard that must be maintained in dating, in commitments, in friendships, even in work environments. Keeping up with yourself sends a message out there. If you don't tolerate a bad manicure, then you definitely won't be tolerating a bad friend, a bad partner, or a bad job, as life is all about the things that you are willing to tolerate. Now we are done with both hands, but speaking of tolerance, we've made a mistake. Let's fix it. The French tip on my pinky didn't align properly, and I know it's just a nail, but when you start cutting corners on things that you've decided to commit to and do for yourself, for your self-care, for your self-maintenance and self-improvement, then it becomes easier to cut corners on your standards and on other important things that are meaningful to you. We've decided to self-care. I've decided to get my nice manicure, so that's what I will do. Besides, if I don't fix it now that I have a little bit of time, I don't know when will be the next time I'll have to fix it, because I don't like to look at things that I don't want that I've had the chance to change for the better. Now let's move on to skincare. When it comes to skincare, I don't like to use too many multi-step processes unless absolutely necessary. To exfoliate, I use exfoliating gloves to help remove any excess skin or dirt. For additional exfoliation, I will use a body scrub. Just be careful not to do it too often together, because then it will be too harsh on your skin. Skincare also involves the skin down below, so I use this pH balancing feminine cleanser soap by Manicure. It removes odor and keeps everything down there fresh and clean. I exfoliate my feet a lot because I wear sandals and it is so dry here in Vegas. To remedy that, I often use the feet callus removers. I've gotten them off of Amazon. I'll link them below. Now that we're clean, we're going to hydrate and moisturize. I'm going to go in with the Dermalogica Future Coat Booster. It repairs sun damage, reduces wrinkles, and it is also said to reverse the aging process. I'm using the GM Colin Sublime Concentrate Oil. It glides on so seamlessly on my skin. It feels luxurious yet extremely hydrating. I've honestly never experienced anything better than it. Afterwards, I'm going in with the Melting Balm, still also by GM Colin. You don't need to use these together, but it's so dry here in Las Vegas that I love the most amount of hydration. By the way, I got my pajama. The robe is from Victoria's Secret, and the negligee, the dress, is from Amazon. I will have it linked below. Overall, ladies, the most important part of this self-care routine is hydration. Pouring into myself, both literally and figuratively. When you hydrate your body, your skin will show it by glowing, your hair will show it, your nails will show it, even your gut will show it by its health. By the way, if you want me to make a healthy food video, let me know in the comments. But ladies, hydration is important because without hydration, you'll be dehydrated and your skin will show it. So hydrate to remind yourself that you love yourself. Thank you for watching.